So bear hug means the attacker comes from behind, he puts both arms around your arms and then he pulls you tight. Now the reason why they use bear hugs is they either want to pick you up so that they can throw you to the ground, for example in a rape situation, or to carry you towards a vehicle, like in a kidnapping or an abduction situation, or just to throw you to the ground so they can punch and kick or stab you. So the first thing that you want to remember is it's not a good position to be in if your arms are trapped. It's not a good position to be in if your feet leave terra firma. So you want to stay on the earth as long as you can. So the way that you do that, I'm quickly going to illustrate. I'm capable of picking Yolanda up with ease. But if she hooks her strong leg behind my leg, and she traps her leg against my leg, and she bends forward slightly, and she pretends in her head that she's becoming heavy, like a sack of potatoes. If I now try to lift her up, see how difficult this becomes. I can go nowhere with her. So all she did is she hooked her foot behind my leg, she straightened the leg, and she just became heavy.